So we all know FaceTime, right? I love it, you love it, we all like it. Now, no app is perfect, but with the iOS 15, I don't even know how I didn't catch this before, but they've switched up a couple of different things here and there, which does kind of throw me off. So first of all, with Safari, they moved the top bar to the bottom. You can go ahead and rearrange this so you can bring it to the top. That really wasn't that big of a deal, and I actually didn't mind it too much. Now, why do I bring that up? Because I'm not really, I don't have a problem with moving things around. I think this is cool because you can do the gesture base and it's cool to switch between tabs and all this stuff. Within FaceTime, though, Apple actually moved the end button from the bottom to the top. So if I go ahead and make my way over to FaceTime, and if I go ahead and join this random call, you can see that we now have the FaceTime tab at the top. So before it used to be at the bottom, you'd be able to click the hang up button or whatever it used to be down here. They've now since moved that to the top, okay? Now, that isn't that crazy big of a deal. However, the leave button is, if for some reason it's made it so awkward to leave FaceTime calls. I'm going to be completely honest. So whenever I try to go leave a FaceTime call now, I always end up clicking here, I end up clicking here, and I always end up just accidentally swiping out like this because I think the end button is there, but they moved to the top, and now every time I click the leave button, I almost always randomly click the share screen button, and it pretty much just kind of trips out from there. Now, I do like having the option of not showing my video, if I don't want to or whatever the case is, but I really don't think moving, and you can even see sometimes if you go ahead and click the video button like this, the leave button randomly will go away. So you can't even do certain things unless you kind of actually go ahead. So you can't even leave those calls if you're in the middle of doing something like that. So that's another slight issue. But the leave button, if being in the top right corner versus where it used to be, really throws things off. Like I mentioned with my the Safari browser, moving it from the top to the bottom, that really doesn't change things too much. But there really wasn't any point of bringing the FaceTime feature from the top to the bottom, or from the bottom to the top. It really didn't bring anything crazy. I think Apple could have easily left it at the bottom, and it makes no sense that they put the top bar to the bottom at Safari, then they brought the bottom bar to the top in FaceTime. It really doesn't make any sense to me, and it's made it just completely hard to kind of maneuver through the whole entire UI. I'm sure we will get used to it over time, but even clicking the end button and the leave button, I mean, even then I just clicked it and it didn't go away. It just assumed it was swiping away. Again, like, it just doesn't make any sense to me. So ultimately, I will tell you, if you're on iOS 15, I want to know your opinion on this. Has FaceTime been ruined for you? I will tell you, it still gets warmed up. It still, heats up the phone. It probably still, ruins the battery life as always. But I really don't like what they did with FaceTime. And this is on iOS 15.2. This is the latest version of the software. I'm not a fan of what Apple did here. I would love to hear your guys' opinion on it. Am I crazy? I'd love to know. Hit the like button if you guys enjoy the video, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.